Members of the Nigerian press, it is with profound honor and pride that I stand before you today on this momentous occasion of the decoration of newly promoted senior officers of the Nigerian Police Force. This day signifies a pivotal milestone in the careers of the recipients of our recent promotion exercise. Since the inception of the current police administration, under my leadership, we have been committed to the standardization of the promotion process within the force. Consequently, the current promotion exercise, like those preceding it under this administration, adheres strictly to the fundamental principles of seniority and merit. I wish to reaffirm unequivocally that our promotion process will continue to be transparent and fair to all our officers. No officer eligible for promotion will be denied their rightful advancement. At the outset of this administration, we announced the suspension of special promotions to ensure a fair, equitable, and transparent promotion process. While we acknowledge that exceptional circumstances may warrant special promotions, we will take appropriate and expedient action when necessary. We will revisit this decision at the right time and make exceptions where deserved, balancing individual merit with the need for a fair and equitable process. I would like to take this opportunity to sound a note of serious warning to unscrupulous officers who are attempting to undermine our merit-based promotion system for personal gain. I urge them to cease lobbying for special promotions through influential persons and external forces. From now on, severe disciplinary action will be taken against any officer found guilty of soliciting undeserved promotions through illicit means, masquerading as special promotions. This also applies to officers soliciting for preferential postings. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the newly promoted Deputy Inspectors General of Police, Assistant Inspectors General of Police, and Commissioners of Police. This marks the commencement of an exciting chapter in your professional journeys. I remind you that promotions are earned by those who maintain unwavering focus on their objectives. Wear your new ranks with pride and let them serve as a constant reminders of the trust and confidence reposed in you. Strive daily to meet the high standards expected of you. Lead with courage, act with integrity, and serve with dedication. Remember, promotions may come and go, but your hard work will leave a lasting legacy. Also, recognize that you are supervisors and trainers of men. All subordinate officers look up for guidance and mentorship. All subordinate officers look up to you for guidance and mentorship. The quality of your decisions, actions, and inactions will determine the quality of the training you impart to them. At this juncture, I express my deepest gratitude to His Excellency, the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for his unwavering support for the Nigerian Police Force. His commitment to the welfare of the officers and the effort to reposition the Nigerian Police Force for better service delivery is profoundly appreciated. I also extend my appreciation to members of the Police Service Commission for their timely attention in processing and approving the promotions list as recommended by us. I convey my deepest commendation and appreciation to the spouses and entire families of the newly promoted officers. Your support and encouragement have been instrumental in their successes. We celebrate your sacrifices today. To all serving members of the Nigerian Police Force, I urge you to continue working conscientiously together to make the force a symbol of pride and excellence.
Officers at various police divisional headquarters, amongst others. Is presently the AIG in charge of Zone 14, Yahaya Sahabo Abubakar. Congratulations to you, the AIG. We'll see you on the 7th floor more frequently. This is IGP Police Academy in Kano. This is CID Kogi. This is CID Baro. CP for CID Enugu. CP Adamawa. CP Imo. And CP Sefa Highway. Is presently acting AIG for CID Annex in Lagos. Now a substantive AIG live streaming and reading, happily married with children. Congratulations to you, AIG Romo Kure J. Ibani. The next is AIG Ahmed Amani FDC. Please step forward, sir. He has served as PA to many senior officers, DTO, DPO, DCO, Area Commander, Unit Commander, 2IC Squadron Commander, and Commander Mopo in many places, DC Special Protection Unit, CP Special Protection Unit, OC Monitoring Unit, CP Edo State, Deputy Commandant Police Academy within Kano and many others. 35th meeting of Interpol Socialized Group of Crime Against Children in Lyon, France. United Nations General Assembly on Women's Status, New York, USA since 2016 till date. Is a member, International Association of Chiefs of Police, IGP. He's been assisted there by our husband for that decoration. He is presently TPSF in Lagos. He likes singing, dancing, and traveling. She's happily married. Of course, the husband is decorating now. Congratulations to you, our mama, Margaret Ochala Achepe. Maybe I should name you Mommy 2. Since Forsake is Mommy 1. As to Bill, Armed Forces Command and Staff College, Directing Staff. He has served many places, training officer, unit commander of 2 Lagos, PA Compo Bobo First Headquarters, and commander PMF, director of Labour Studies, Staff College, Jos, area commander for Records, DC Admin, Fed Dos, DC Admin, Lagos, Tactical Leadership Command Course, Jos, Strategic Leadership Command Course, Jos, training the trainers course in Kosovo. He is a member of ICP, Institute of Certified Forensic Investigation Professionals, USA, International Academy of Forensic Institute of Safety Professionals of Nigeria, a member of IACP. He has worked as OC Homicide in Ogun State and CIK Party in Lagos, UN Mission Kosovo, DPO at Gokota, Lagos, Course Officer Pola, AC Admin Zone 8, LCPTD. He attended many courses and of course various courses in the PMF training school. He has been Commandant Police Mobile Training Colleges for so many years. In fact, PMF runs in the veins of this Commissioner of Police. He belongs to many professional bodies, including ICP.